In this video, we will learn how to change Android device keyboard layout. So firstly, open your Google Play Store and type keyboard. You will see a list of keyboard. Some of them are very famous, like a Swift keyboard, and this one is the Google keyboard. So I will select this one, and a simple click on install. Accept. After installation, click on open. Now you will find three steps. First step is the done, and the second step, select input method. So there are your keyboard. So here the select G keyboard, I mean Google keyboard, and go to third option, ready to go, done. And here you can customize your keyboard, like languages you can select as your choice, and also you can add the keyboard as your language. And here is you can change the theme, like landscape, and here is some colors. I will select this one. So firstly, download and click on apply. And also you can change, so your keyboard will look like this, and click on apply after changes. And here is the preference. So there is some another settings you can customize, and you can modify it as you like. And here is the glide typing, text correction, and dictionary, and there is the advanced option. So friends, by this easy method you can change your Android device keyboard layout. Thanks for watching this video.